Welcome back. Today we are doing a deep dive into the most important post-oath tasks for new U.S. citizens. You've taken the oath, but the paperwork isn't over. We're going to cover 5 essential steps in extreme detail. Step 1 is applying for your U.S. passport. This is your primary proof of citizenship abroad. You must use Form DS-11. You cannot renew by mail for your first passport. You must apply in person. Find a local acceptance facility, usually a post office or a library, and make an appointment immediately. Bring your original Certificate of Naturalization plus a clear photocopy of the front and back. Your photos must be perfect. 2 by 2 inches, white background, no glasses, neutral expression. Drugstore photos are safest. Bring 2 forms of payment. The application fee usually requires a check or money order, while the facility fee varies. Routine processing can take 8 to 11 weeks. If you need to travel sooner, pay for expedited service. Consider getting both the passport book for international travel and the passport card for land border crossings. Step 2. Updating your Social Security record. This is vital for your right to work and retirement benefits. Do not go immediately. Wait at least 10 days after your ceremony so the USCIS systems can sync with the SSA. Download Form SS-5 from the SSA website and fill it out at home to save time during your visit. You must visit a Social Security office in person. You cannot do this status change online. Bring your new passport or Certificate of Naturalization. They will verify your status and update your record to citizen. Step 3 is the most exciting: registering to vote. You now have a voice in how this country is run. In many states, you can register online. In others, you can do it by mail or at the DMV. Don't just register, research. Learn about local elections, school boards, and primaries, not just the presidential race. Watch the deadlines. Some states require registration 30 days before an election. Don't miss your chance. Step 4. Understanding jury duty. It is mandatory for citizens and crucial for justice. If you get a summons, read it carefully. You must answer truthfully that you are now a U.S. citizen. Employers are required by law to give you time off for jury duty, though payment rules vary by state. Step 5. Notify USCIS. This mainly applies if you have pending petitions for family members. As a citizen, your spouse and parents become immediate relatives, meaning no wait times for visa numbers. Call the USCIS Contact Center or upload your naturalization certificate copy to your online account to upgrade petitions. Passport, Social Security, voting, jury duty, USCIS. Tackle these one by one and you're set. Need a checklist in your pocket? The ImmigraFlow app tracks all these steps for you. Download it free at ImmigraFlow.us and subscribe here for more citizenship guides. See you next time.